Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back, and today I have got a little bit of a different video. This is something which happened to me and it made me think that if I can be fooled by these fake buds, me, a tech enthusiast, can be fooled by this, then a common person can easily take them for real buds. And because I ordered them from Amazon, I wasn't even expecting them to be fake clones, a nearly perfect fake clone. So today I will go through the differences between the fake and the real Galaxy buds, tell you guys how to differentiate between the fake buds because they look so much similar. Like, honestly, I was fooled by these buds before I borrowed my friend's actual real Galaxy buds. First we will go through the outside hardware differences, and then we will see about the software differences and the pairing with the smartphones. So can you guys differentiate between which are the real ones and which are the fake ones? The physical design of the box is almost exactly the same, and the buds themselves are also exactly replicated. So the one on the left is the fake one. Just kidding. This is the real one and the one on the right is the fake one. So yes, we can see that there is a clear difference which one is real. The logo is printed in a minimalistic black color which is somewhat hard to read, whereas the fake ones have a logo in the white color which contrasts really well with the black case and it is much more visible. Both of them says Samsung, sound by AKG, and because I never had the real ones, I didn't know which color the logo is supposed to be. At the bottom the legal stuff is also a bit different. The real one is a bit scratched up, but you can clearly see a lot of differences. Now let's see the differences when they are opened up. So they are pretty much exactly the same. The color of the LNR is a little bit different, and on the Buds Plus there is a rubber thing with LNR written on it. Also, I should add that I ordered the Buds Plus and it came in the Buds Plus box, but these are the fakes of Buds, not Plus. Also, the product was renewed but from a certified seller with good ratings. The color of the inside part is totally black on the fake ones and it is dark grey on the real ones. The hinge mechanism is also very different. The fake ones have just one simple hinge with magnets, no weight or resistance to the hinge. When it opens, it closes with no efforts and it slams shut. However, the real one has like 3-stop hinge, one closed, one middle and another fully open. There is resistance to it. Once it's fully opened, then it stops in the middle sector and it needs more force to shut it down close. Other than that, they are pretty much identical. The fake ones is just ever so slightly bigger, not even noticeable by human eyes, but if we put the real buds inside the box, it perfectly fits. However, the fake ones fit just okay. So the size is almost the same, but there is like 0.1% of difference. The fake ones also don't have wireless charging, no surprise. If I put them on my wireless charger, nothing happens. But the real ones do have wireless charging built in and it does charge wirelessly if I put it on my wireless charger. And even the Type-C port used on the fake ones is super cheap. It doesn't hold the cable inside at all. I have to keep pushing the cable to keep them charging, otherwise it just like very easily falls off. The real ones obviously have a much better quality Type-C port and it does grip the cable much better. On the buds themselves, they look exactly the same, but there are some minor changes. On the real ones, we have an extra microphone on the inside and a sensor for ear detection, whereas the fake ones don't provide that. Size wise, well, I think they are pretty much identical. If you don't know, you will never be able to tell them apart. The charging pins are placed a little bit differently, but unless you have them side by side, you will never be able to notice it. The ear tips and wing tips of the fake ones fits the real ones, so that is almost a perfect copy. And on the fake ones, we have an hole on the outside with LED light inside of it. However, on the real ones, we do have the hole, but it is for the microphone and with no LED inside it. Also, the fake buds fit the real one's case and vice versa. The case closes, but they do touch the top wall just ever so slightly. Now coming to the software side, this is the main thing where you will be able to tell them apart which is the real one and which is the fake one. Hardware of the fake ones can be matched even better with the real ones, but they never will be able to replicate the software integration. I have my Samsung phone and if I open the fake ones, nothing will happen because it's fake, Samsung doesn't detect it. However, if I open the real ones, the smartphone detects it automatically and is now ready to connect. If you don't have a Samsung phone, you should download the Galaxy Wearable application, and if the application doesn't detect the buds, they are fake. The real ones will be detected, and for Samsung smartphones, the real buds show this icon in the Bluetooth setting, whereas the fake ones have the generic logo. The sound quality is, oh well, no surprise, it's nowhere as good as the real ones, but for a fake, it's kind of decent actually. And I might have been fooled if I weren't such a tech-focused guy. The Amazon seller sent me the fake buds inside the real Buds Plus box, which made my Peter tingle go away.
Hungry? Oh, so sorry. I thought that you could sense that with your Peter tingle.
So if they came in a generic box, I would have been much more alert. But now I was like, hey, is it broken? Why is it not connecting to my phone? Why is Samsung Galaxy wearable not connecting? What's wrong? I wasn't even thinking that these could be fake. My friend has to tell me that these are fake when I sent him the pics of these ones. So I was fooled, and if I can be fooled, so can you. So I made this video to tell you guys how to differentiate between the real and the fake ones, how to not get scammed, and you can also confirm the real Galaxy Buds. If you have a Samsung phone, just opening the case will confirm if it is real or fake. On other phones, just download Galaxy Wearable and try pairing through that. If it's fake, it won't be detected at all, and all the other differences I told you should also be present. If you found this video useful guys, just give me a thumbs up button, that really helps me out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.